Hello everyone and welcome to this video on logical operators in Python. Logical operators are the backbone of decision making in programming, allowing you to combine multiple conditions and implement complex logic with ease. In this video, we'll explore Python's three logical operators and, or, and not. We'll dive into how they work, understand their behavior in real world scenarios, and practice with examples to solidify your understanding. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped to use logical operators effectively in your Python programs. So let's get started. Introduction. Logical operators in Python are powerful tools used to combine multiple conditional statements into a single expression. They enable you to evaluate complex conditions by determining how different conditions relate to one another. Python provides three primary logical operators: an or and not. Each operator serves a specific purpose and simplifies the implementation of logical decisions in your code. The An operator checks whether all conditions are true. If every condition in the expression evaluates to true, the entire statement is considered true. Otherwise, it evaluates to false. This operator is particularly useful when you need multiple criteria to be satisfied simultaneously. The OR operator checks whether at least one condition is true. If any condition in the expression evaluates to true, the entire statement becomes true. It is commonly used when you want your logic to proceed as long as one of several conditions is met. The NOT operator inverts the result of a condition. If a condition evaluates to true, applying the NOT operator will make it false, and vice versa. This operator is helpful for implementing logic where you need to ensure something does not happen or when dealing with negations. By combining these logical operators with comparison operators, you can create sophisticated and precise conditions for your programs. Logical operators are essential for writing efficient, readable, and dynamic code, making them a foundational concept in Python programming. List of logical operators. 1. AND operator. The AND operator in Python is used to combine two or more conditions and returns true only if all the conditions are true. It plays a crucial role in scenarios where multiple criteria need to be satisfied simultaneously for a specific outcome. If even one of the conditions evaluates to false, the entire expression evaluates to false. For example, consider the expression x3 and x10, where x5. Here the operator checks two conditions: whether x is greater than 3 and whether x is less than 10. Since both conditions are true, the result of the expression is true. However, if x were 12, the first condition x3 would still be true, but the second condition x10 would be false, making the entire expression evaluate to false. The An operator is frequently used in real-world applications. For instance, in validating user input, you might check if a value falls within a specific range, such as if age 18 and age 60. This ensures the input meets both minimum and maximum criteria. Understanding how an operator works helps you write precise and efficient logical conditions. By combining multiple checks into a single statement, you can make your code cleaner and more effective for scenarios that require all conditions to be true simultaneously. 2. OR operator. The OR operator in Python is used to combine two or more conditions and returns true if at least one of the conditions is true. It is particularly useful when you want to execute a block of code as long as any one of the given conditions is satisfied. If all conditions are false, the result will be false. For example, consider the expression x3 or x2 where x5. Here the operator checks two conditions: whether x is greater than 3 and whether x is less than 2. Since the first condition x3 is true, the entire expression evaluates to true, even though the second condition x2 is false. The OR operator stops evaluating further as soon as it encounters a true condition, making it efficient in handling logical expressions. The OR operator is widely used in real world scenarios. For instance, in a login system, you might check if a user can authenticate with either their username or email, as in if username admin or email admin at example.com. This ensures flexibility by allowing the user to log in with either piece of information. Understanding the OR operator is key to writing flexible and efficient logical statements. It allows you to combine conditions where at least one true condition is enough for the desired action to occur, making it an essential tool for implementing logic in Python. 3. Not operator. The not operator in Python is a logical operator used to reverse the result of a condition. If the condition evaluates to true, the not operator converts it to false, and if the condition evaluates to false, it converts it to true. This operator is particularly useful when you need to implement logic that relies on negation or requires you to check when a condition does not hold true. For instance, consider the expression not x3 and x10 where x5. In this case, the condition inside the parentheses x3 and x10 evaluates to true because 5 is greater than 3 and less than 10. However, the not operator reverses this result, making the entire expression evaluate to false. The not operator is often used in practical scenarios where you need to validate the absence of a condition. For example, in a login system, you might want to deny access if a user does not meet certain criteria, such as if not is underscore authenticated. Similarly, it is useful in loops to terminate iterations when a condition is no longer valid. Understanding the not operator is essential for implementing negation logic in Python. It provides a clear and concise way to handle conditions where you need to ensure that something does not happen or that a specific condition is not met. This makes the not operator an indispensable part of Python's logical toolkit. Practice examples. Logical operators are essential for creating dynamic and flexible conditions in Python programs. Here are some practical examples to demonstrate how these operators work in different scenarios. In example 1, we use the AND operator to combine two conditions. The program checks if the age is greater than 18 and if the person has a valid license. Here age 25 and has underscore license true. Since both conditions are true, the combined condition evaluates to true, and the program prints you can drive. This example highlights how the an operator is used to ensure that multiple criteria are met before executing a specific block of code. In example 2, the OR operator is used to check multiple conditions. The program determines if it is a weekend or a holiday to decide if the user can relax. Here is underscore weekend true and is underscore holiday false. Since the OR operator only requires one condition to be true, the expression evaluates to true and the program prints you can relax today. This demonstrates how the OR operator provides flexibility by allowing the program to proceed if at least one condition is satisfied. In example 3, the not operator is used to reverse a condition. The program checks if it is not raining to decide whether the user can go for a walk. Here is underscore raining false. The condition not is underscore raining evaluates to true because the not operator inverts the false value of is underscore raining. As a result, the program prints you can go for a walk. This example shows how the not operator simplifies logic when dealing with negations. These practice examples illustrate the versatility of logical operators in Python. By combining, evaluating, and inverting conditions, you can create more dynamic and adaptable programs tailored to a wide range of scenarios. Key takeaways. Logical operators are powerful tools that allow you to combine multiple conditions and create complex decision-making logic in your Python programs. They provide the ability to evaluate and control program flow based on dynamic scenarios, ensuring that your code behaves intelligently under varying circumstances. The AND operator ensures that all specified conditions are true before executing a block of code, making it ideal for situations where multiple criteria must be met simultaneously. The OR operator, on the other hand, allows flexibility by enabling your program to proceed if at least one condition is satisfied. This is particularly useful in scenarios where you want to handle multiple possibilities with a single condition. The NOT operator provides a way to reverse a condition, making it an effective tool for negations or when you want to act only if a condition is not true. Mastering these operators is crucial for writing efficient and adaptable programs. They are often used in loops, conditional statements, and error handling scenarios to implement logic that mirrors real world decision making processes. Practice combining and or and not operators to handle increasingly complex conditions and refine your problem solving skills. By understanding and applying logical operators effectively, you can write more robust, readable, and flexible Python code. And that concludes our discussion on logical operators in Python. We've explored the and, or, and not operators, learned how they help us build complex conditions, and practice using them in different scenarios. Logical operators are fundamental to writing flexible and dynamic code, and mastering them will take your programming skills to the next level. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more Python tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep practicing and happy coding.